Hello everyone. In this episode of Smart Life, we'll cover the top 5 models available in the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, popularity, price, and more. I've included options for every type of buyer. So, if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. Please check the link in the description below for more details. Let's dive into the video.
If you are looking for best camera for beginners, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Nikon D3500 with AF PDX Nikkor. Nikon may not have announced any new entry-level DSLRs for a while, but the D3500 remains an excellent option for those new to photography. It picks up from where the D3400 left off, but with a handful of extra perks. The major advantage of this camera is battery life. You can keep going for 1,550 images between charges, which is way ahead of most other DSLRs. While the 24MP sensor delivers excellent image quality, Nikon has also revised the body and control layout, not only to make it nicer to handle but easier to use too. Number 2. This new model isn't a huge upgrade, with the most notable addition being a 4K video mode that's somewhat hampered by frame rate restrictions. You get a dual pixel phase detection AF system, which is fast, reliable, and works just as well for video as it does stills. Its button layout is also very considerate, while the Vari-angle LCD screen handles really well. As long as you ignore that headline of 4K video, it remains a fantastic option for anyone who is starting a photography hobby and prizes DSLR advantages like battery life and handling. Number 3. Sony Alpha A6000 mirrorless digital camera. It's actually an impressive stills and video shooting machine, with not only the ability to shoot high-quality Full HD and 4K video, but it's also a popular camera for a reason. The Fast-24 100mm equivalent lens gives you an enormous amount of shooting versatility, no matter the lighting conditions, no matter how distant the subject. Video features are also further bolstered by such vital extras as an external mic port, ensuring that your videos will sound as good as they look. The camera feels premium in the hand, and with the LCD that flips around 180 degrees for easy monitoring. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera. The EOS Rebel SL3, also known as the Canon EOS 250D, is one of the more recent additions to this list. It picks up from where the Rebel SL2 left off, adding a fresh processing engine and 4K video recording on top of a collection of smaller extras. There may be lots of competition from entry-level mirrorless cameras right now, but if you like the traditional handling of a DSLR, including an optical viewfinder, the 250D is one of the most attractive and affordable models available right now. Number 5. Pentax K70 Weather Sealed DSLR camera. It's a particularly good choice if you have a stash of old Pentax lenses gathering dust in a basement. The K70 has a very useful articulating screen. Autofocus system makes it an actual practical alternative to using the viewfinder. The K70 has its tough credentials. If you're keen to take lots of pictures outdoors, such as landscape shooting. One slight disappointment is the kit lens, which is often bundled with the camera. While it offers a much longer focal length than most others here, it can be a little soft in places.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.